Welcome to Journey of Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the opening to the pathway of inner well-being. Grudges are blockages that not only affect our physical, emotional health but also our spiritual path. If we keep grudges for a long time inside us, we can suffer deeply, not only at physical level but at emotional level too. If we suffer for a long time at physical level, we can get disease like cancer or a tumor. At emotional level, we can suffer from anxiety, depression, angerness or sleeplessness and many more. Forgiveness has 3 levels. For this journey, sit comfortably on chair or on floor. You can take wall support for your back or else you can lie down. Close your eyes, palms facing to sky. Relax your whole body. Breathe softly. With every exhale, relax your body, relax your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale all your stress and relax. Relax, relax. First level, forgive everyone. Think about the person or a situation that hurt you the most. Think about the person or situation that hurt you the most. Visualize that whole scene in front of you. Visualize that whole scene in front of you. Bring the same feeling what you felt at that moment. You might want to shout, or you want to cry, or you may scared. Have the same feeling. Have the same feeling. Visualize that person who hurt you the most, and with the open heart, forgive that person. Forgive that person. Forgive that person. Repeat the phrase, I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. Repeat on your own for a minute. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. You forgive that person from bottom of your heart. Slowly that scene fade away. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the lightness in your body and mind. Second level, forgive me. Think about the situation or a person where you hurt someone knowingly or unknowingly. Think about the situation or a person where you hurt someone knowingly or unknowingly. You visualize that scene or a person who you hurt. Maybe at that moment you don't have courage to ask for forgiveness. Maybe that person is not alive, or maybe that person is not here with you right now. Visualize that person in front of you and ask for forgiveness. Repeat the phrase, "Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me." Repeat on your own for a minute. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. He or she forgave you. Slowly that scene fade away. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the lightness in your body and mind. Third level, forgive yourself. Many times we are not able to forgive ourselves. In some situation, people may forgive us, but we won't be able to forget ourselves. Visualize that scene where you found it difficult to forgive yourself. Visualize that scene where you found it difficult to forgive yourself. Repeat phrase, "I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself." Repeat it for a minute on your own. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. You forgive yourself. Slowly that scene fade away. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the lightness in your body. Your mind is calm, just like a river flowing calmly and peacefully. Just like a river flowing calmly and peacefully. Same way, today you feel calm, peace, and cheerful. You feel calm, peace, and cheerful. Breathe in, breathe out. Mahatma Gandhi said once that one strong people can forgive, weak people can't. He said, only strong people can forgive, weak people can't. We are strong. We are so strong as we forgive everyone and ourselves. We forgive everyone and ourselves. Forgiveness brings lightness in the body, lightness in the mind, happiness in our heart. We are so happy as we remove all our grudges, we remove our blockages which we were holding so long. We are so happy, so happy, so happy. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel like a bird, forget and forgive everything, and fly up in the sky with the open wings. Feel like a bird, forget and forgive everything, and fly up in the sky with open wings. Open up your arms for the whole world. Open your arms for the whole world. Love everyone, loved by everyone. Loved everyone, loved by everyone. Breathe in, breathe out. Smile on your face and repeat the affirmation, I am light and happy soul. I am light and happy soul. I am light and happy soul. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. Breathe in, breathe out. With all happiness in our heart, we will chant 3 times Omkar. Breathe in, one more. Breathe in, breathe out. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Open your eyes and close. Slowly rub your palm all over your face and all over your body. With this feeling of happiness and a big smile on your face, spend your whole day. Have a nice day. Om Shanti.